Good afternoon. This is Robert Coles at Quality Recovery Agency LLC, and I am back again with another very exciting update. Today is Saturday, September 28th, and I'm going to give you an update as far as what happened this week. So, this week we have 8 people in our surplus course. The name of the course is The Last Surplus Course You Will Ever Need. It's a 60-day mentorship course, and we are into week 3 into the surplus course. And right now on Monday, September 30th, I will be assigning everyone in our course. They will be getting their deals, all the deals that I will be assigning to them. It will be from $50,000 to $100,000 deals. We will start skip tracing as well as going through the deal structure process to make sure that everybody understands the structure of their deals. The most important thing right now that I'm seeing is that everybody in the class, we did the role playing as far as the mock phone calls, making sure that everybody's comfortable making these phone calls. I know we had half the people in the class. They were like, "Oh my goodness, Robert, that's too much. I'm too nervous. I think I don't want to do the do I have to do the calling? Can I get a VA?" And it's like I told them, you know, the more comfortable that you make yourself within this process, the total process, the easier it will be once you master this process. So we worked on that for 2 straight weeks, and everybody in the class right now, they are very, very comfortable. So Monday when we come back at noon, I will be assigning everybody their first surplus deal so we can make sure that we get, my goal is to get everybody a deal signed this coming week. We want to make sure that we push forward and we push past all the negativities out here. And we're going to be posting our checks once everybody gets their deal signed. Everybody who gets a deal this week, I will be back next week, and I will make sure that I started posting all the processes of the deal process. Everybody who is getting a deal, we're going to post that. The most important thing is everybody will be getting a username and password into my personal customized CRM so that we have the deal structure. It's already in place as far as the leads that's coming in, the new leads, the person that skip traced, all of that. It's all laid out in a 10-step workflow process. They're going to be getting access to that workflow process coming on Monday. I'm excited. Everybody that's in the course, the last surplus course you ever need. If you've been in the process, if you bought a course, if you have not made any money over the past 90 days, 6 months, or 12 months since you've actually purchased your course, I would highly tell you to go out on our website at surplusmoney.co. Click on, about halfway down the page, click on where it says free. There's 20 free surplus lessons that will take you from absolutely knowing nothing about this business into making this entire process extremely clear. So you go to surplusmoney.co, click on halfway down the page, you will see the prices for the courses. There is one on the left side. It'll say free, 20 free lessons. At the bottom of that tab, click down there where it says get started. Click on the Get Started tab. It'll take you over to the course where you have 23 lessons, talk to you about the surplus process, talk to you about the deal structure, talk to you about what you need to do when you have people that are deceased, tells you the deal structure as far as everything that you need to do to put a deal together. The only thing you will basically need is to have an attorney. I only work with attorneys here on the East Coast. So if you're out here and you're working on the West Coast, please don't call me. I'm not interested in the West Coast. We are fine and we're doing great in the 4 states that we're working here on the East Coast because, one, we have mastered this entire process. And at this point, what I can tell everybody is this. Take a look at the 20 free lessons on our website. It'll give you a more than a basic understanding of what we're doing. We go into the legal aspects of surplus funds. We're telling you exactly what you need to do we're not attorneys. So we're giving you what we know to be true, But from a legality standpoint, you have to consult with an attorney. That's why I only work with attorneys in this business, because the attorneys, that's what they get paid for. They get paid to make sure that I'm always 100% safe. At this point, Robert Coles, Quality Recovery Agency LLC, we have been paid $250,000 as of September 2024. The number's on the screen. You can reach me directly at 336-447-7638, or you can reach me also by email. That email is info@surplusmoney.co. Robert Coles, Quality Recovery Agency. And if you can look over my shoulder, you will see that we are currently working on a grand total of $339,000. We are out here closing deals and making money. Take care. Be blessed.